proceed to the final example in example 15, and we have a fraction with a binomial on the top and on the bottom. Okay, so first of all, we can see that we have some very big numbers here, so we need to write all four of these values in their simplest surd form. Okay, now for you to find those factors, what you could do on your calculator, you could say 80 equal to shift fact, okay, and get all the prime factors. And then in the set of prime factors, let's say you have 4 squared times 5, which you should get. Then you know the 4 squared is the perfect square. So that's 16 and 5. Those are the two numbers that you will use as your perfect square and your non-perfect square, okay? And you can do that for all the values that you get if you aren't sure which factors are appropriate. So we start with 80. We have 16 and 5. Then we go to 48. So we subtract 48, which we can write as 16 and 3. Right? Just bear with the nice handwriting. Then we go to 20, which we can write as 4 and 5. All right. And lastly, we go to 12, which we can write as 4 and 3. Now, as I'm doing this example, I'm seeing that 5 and 3 is being repeated on top and at the bottom. And that is significant for the answer. So we continue simplifying. We get 4 root 5 minus 4 root 3 all over 2 root 5 minus 2 root 3. Okay, now as you can see in the numerator, there's a common factor of 4. And in the denominator, there's a common factor of 2. So I'm going to take out that common factor, 4, and I'm left with root 5 minus root 3. There's nothing that we can do with the root 5 and the root 3. And in the denominator, we have 2 as the common factor. We take out the 2's, and we are left with root 5 minus root 3. Now at this point, we can cancel because we have one term in the top and one term in the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel. What's left now is 4 over 2. And that's easy because that is just equal to 2. And that is the final answer. So what was step 1? We wrote it in simplest surd form. After we did that, we simplified it. After the simplification, we could factorize. And after factorization, we were able to cancel out terms and get a simplified answer of 2.